Hi guys, we are into another video of Tech Brothers, and in this video we are going to watch about JBL Tune 500 BT. And let's get started. If you see this box, we can see these features like JBL Pure Bass and in other language, and hands-free calls and multimedia connection and lightweight and foldable design. This in paperwork seems like something really great, and here if you see it's given 5 minutes charge is equals to 1 hour of music, and it can last up to 16 hours if it is fully charged. And if you see this side, it's given about all these units. It costs around 4,000 rupees in India, and which is nearly $60 to $50. I don't know the real pricing in other places. It is compatible with Apple's and Android, everything which is Microsoft, including Linux. Good. And let's get started. This has NFC feature also. Really great, right? And if you open this up, we can let's give this a try. So we can see that this is the headphone itself, and we'll get a cable which is not with me now. Actually I lost it, so that I bought 3 new headphones for our channel, but they are currently not available because I ordered them in Amazon. And you see this paperwork here, and this is something written in Chinese. If you know to read this, please put this down in the comment section and don't Google translate it. These are paperworks, warranty code in different countries. This is other paperwork. If you're really a dedicated person, please read this, but my suggestion, no need to read this. And again another paperwork, I think so. Yeah. This takes a lot of time. And we get this oil paper in which how to connect and parts like, okay, this is really good. Here it says that this volume buttons are also used for calls and also increasing and decreasing volumes. And now let's get into that. Keep this paperwork aside and let's take the headphone itself. Here we get the headphone itself. Now if we open this up, we can see this, and this is really good. What to say, it's made up of plastic fully. Here also we get a cushion. Here also this air cups is also made up of cushion, really good cushion. And in this there are R and L, which mentions right and left. In this right side cup we get volume power up and a volume down, and this pause button, and also this power on off button. And these two are the lights which mention. Actually this is the main light, and this is just for noise cancellation mic. Here we get this noise cancellation, that is for the mic noise cancellation, and this one is for pure bass. It'll cancel the noise, extra noise which is not needed for us. And this is the micro USB type, which is which will charge the headphones. Here also we get a noise cancellation port, and this looks really good if you going to buy around $60 to $50. And you can fold this like this, or this side you get 180 degree fold. And if you fold this like this, you can't get space to do this, and if you do like this, maybe it won't break, but it looks too clumsy. And let's check the connectivity. Now if you want to connect this to your device, you have to press this button, a long press, and you can see this light, white color light, and it will stop blinking after some time, and you have to wait till this turns blue when it is connected. See, as soon as I turn this on, it got connected. It's having version 5.0 Bluetooth, and this is having version 3.0. really good connectivity. And you'll get a sound when you're switching it on, and you'll get another sound when you're connecting it to your device. These are really easy when you're going to have them connected to have them over in your head for a long time. And now let's check the sound. And And now guys, we are waiting for buying an headphones around 3000 to 4000. I suggest you this. And if you're going to get some more lower budget like 2000 to 2500, you can go for the Boat Roggers 510, which is really amazing for that price. It is nearly equal to this sound, but this does the bass effect more better. And if you like this video, give thumbs up, and if you don't like this, you do what you know. And bye for now.